Hey guys, I'm Roxette Arisa and you are watching This Week in Beauty with IPSY. So today, we're talking about this new eyeshadow palette from one of my favorites, Nomad. So they just released this Antilles palette and it's a very pretty tropical eyeshadow palette. It's filled with 15 beautiful, bright and bold colors. And you just gotta feel these to like really feel how good they are. They're so buttery and pigmented. Like just wait until you see this. It is so pretty. These colors are gonna be perfect for the summertime. Like, look at that blue. I just feel like this is gonna be the perfect pop to any makeup look, or even if you're wearing like, let's say all black and you wanna add like a pop of color to the eyes, this is going to be the most beautiful palette to do so. Or let's say you're already wearing a bright and fun outfit, you can always match your eyeshadow to add, you know, the finishing touch to your summer look. And these eyeshadows are actually infused with coconut oil, which gives them that super buttery feel, and it helps to keep your skin very soft. And on top of that, they're also cruelty-free and vegan. So lots of good stuff going on in here. I feel like it's just gonna be the most perfect palette for summertime because it's bright, it's fun, and it's definitely sure to leave an impression wherever you go. And a little hack that I wanted to share with you guys is that you can wet your brush and almost use them as an eyeliner to make a cool touch of color if you don't want to do like a full glam colorful eyeshadow look. Let us know in the comment section, how do you rock your bold and bright colors? We definitely want to hear from you. Make sure to tune in on Thursday because we're going to be talking to Lily Galici about beauty, baby, and just overall being a boss. So definitely going to be an episode you don't want to miss. Thanks for watching This Week in Beauty with IPSY. I'm Roxette Arisa and we will see you next time.